Hello, great learners. You're welcome once again to my channel. In today's lecture, we're looking at determinants of what? Of matrix. So we have two interesting questions here. We're asked to find the matrix and the determinant of what? Of the matrix N. All right, now quickly, without wasting time, let's get into solution. But if you're seeing this channel for the very first time, why not hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topics as the one you're about listening to. So let's get into the solution right now. So quickly, now the format for the sign when it comes to what? Determinant is positive, negative, and what? Positive. That's the sign you ascribe to what? To the three elements there. Okay. So, and in finding determinants, what you simply do is this. If you're picking the first element here, so you're going to close this column and close this row and look for what? Look for the difference between the product of this and this. Okay, so let's go into that now. So, yes, positive 3. So that'll be 3 into what now? Close here and close here. Since we're working with this, we're going to have minus 3 times 1. That will give us minus 3. Then we now have negative what now? 2 times minus 5, that's minus 10. Okay, that's for the first one. Then the next one is going to be negative, so that's minus 5. So if we pick this now, we're going to close this column and close this row where the 5 is, then work with 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have 6 times 1, that's 6. Then minus what? Minus 2 times minus 5, that will give us positive 10. Okay, the next one is going to be what? Positive, but the element there is having a negative sign. Okay, so when we're using the 4 now, we're going to close this column and close this row, then work with these 4 elements here. So 6 times 2, that will give us 12, minus 2 times minus 3 will give us what? Positive 6. All right, now resolving this, we're going to have 3 into what? Minus 3, okay, minus times minus here will give us positive what? 10. So minus 3 plus 10, minus 3 plus 10, we're going to have 7, okay? Then minus 5 into what now? 6 minus 10, that's minus 4. Then plus times minus, we're going to have minus 4 into what now? 12 minus 6, that's 6. All right. So here we're going to have 3 times 7, that's 21, okay? Then minus 5 minus 4 will give us positive 20. 1 multiply, then minus 4 times 6, that's negative 24. All right. Now resolving this now, this will give us what now? 21 plus this, that's 41. Then 41 minus 24, that gives us what? That gives us 17. So the determinant of what? This matrix is what? Is 17. If you're getting any value from this lecture, why not one more time hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topic as this. Now let's get to the second question without wasting time. We have to find the value of k here if the determinant is 23. So they've already worked on the determinant and they got the determinant as 23. Just like we work on the determinant here, we got 17. They've worked on it like this and they got 23. But what's the value of the k there? So we're going to follow through same pattern again. We'll use it working out determinant. Yes, positive. Yes, negative. And yes, what? Positive. All right, quickly. If we take the first one, the element there is minus 2, okay? Then if we're working with this, we're going to close here and close here up. So we're going to work with this. So we're working with this, that'll be 1 times, that's minus 1. Then minus what? 3 times this, that's 3k, okay? Then the next one is negative, and the element there is 1, okay? So if we close here up and close here up, we're going to work with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times minus 1, that'll give us minus 2. Then minus 1 times k, that is k, okay? Then the next one is positive, 1. We open again. So if we're working with this, we close here up and close here up, then work with this 4 here. So that's 2 times 3, that's 6, minus what? 1 times 1, that's 1. And don't forget, after all of this calculation, they got the determinant as 23. So it's the value of k we're looking for. Now let's remove the bracket here. Plus times minus is minus, agree? So minus 2 times minus 1, that will give us 2. Minus 2 times minus 3k, that will give us positive 6k, okay? Then minus 1 times minus 2, that will give us positive 2 again. Minus 1 times minus k, that will give us positive k, right? Then Here we'll go over to this. Now 6 minus 1 is what? 5. And 5 times 1, that's positive 5. Then we have 23 here. All right. Now 2 plus 2, that's 4. 4 plus 5, that'll give us 9. 6k plus k, that'll give us 7k. Then we have 23 on the right hand side. Now collecting like terms, move the 9 to the right hand side. Our 7k becomes what? 23. When the 9 crosses to this side, it crosses as what? As negative. So 7k equals what now? 23 minus 9 will give us that'll be 14. All right, that'll be 14. Okay, so we divide both sides. Divide both sides by 7 in order in order to make your k free. We divide both sides by 7. So 7 cancels out 7. 7 here is 1. 7 to 14 is 2. Therefore, the value of k is what? The value of our k is what? Is 2. So to prove that your answer is correct, put the value of k as 2 here and go through the same thing again. You see that's going to produce for you 23 as the determinant of this very what? Matrix. So one more time, if you've got any value from this interesting topic, determinant of matrix, why not do it to hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification whenever we post interesting topic as what you're saying. And these are questions you see in your WAEC and your JAM examination. All right, so that will be the size of our lecture for today. And one more time, don't forget this is Math Theater TV. And also remember that your success is my delight. Do take care. Peace.